OfficeClip Reports provides you with the flexibility to fine-tune existing reports or creating your own. At the top level, you have report categories. Below that, there are various report types that can be customized. Note that this video is done for the contact category. The same principle applies for all types of OfficeClip reports in various applications. To show what I mean, let's try to create a new report by clicking on New Report button. Let's change the report name to Demo Contacts. Leave rest of it as is. Click Next. On the Select Field screen, you can choose which fields you want to show on the report. Click on Next. On Configure Field screen, you can set the report column header. Right now, let's keep it as is. Click Next. On Select Group screen, you can group contacts by various criteria or create aggregates. This feature is more useful for your other types of reports like billing and time management. For now, we will skip it. On clicking Next, we go to the Filter screen. Filter determines a subset of data that is shown on the report. For example, if you want to show only contacts in the state of Georgia, we can set it up here. Clicking Next will take us to Filter Permissions screen. This is useful when you are giving the report access to a customer and you want to restrict data that they can see. We will discuss this little later. Finally, clicking on the Save and View Report will show us the report. At this point, I only have 2 contacts. On this screen, you can change the report again by clicking on Edit Report, or you change filter by clicking on the Edit link. Going back to the report screen, we see that the new report is created here. Few other features of this report is worth mentioning. You can click on the Change Permission icon to give certain users ability to view or edit this report. You can click on the Schedule icon to schedule this report. This means a copy of the report will be emailed to you periodically for your review. Finally, you can share a report with a customer using a secure login. Select Secured Link and add your customer by clicking on the Add User link. I have already created a customer account with my personal Yahoo email address and I will use that. Click Create Share to get the share link. Check if the URL is accessible from outside your intranet by clicking on the Check URL link. In this case, it gave an error because I am using my local machine to do this demo. This is okay because this demo will be entirely done behind my firewall. Click Done to send an email to the customer. Let's go to the Yahoo email account and look at the email. We find the email here. Clicking on the email shows me the link that your customer will click. Note that this email message body is configurable by going to Site Settings Email Templates. Clicking on the link will bring us to the extranet portal where customers have to log in to see the report. Note that they can also use filter that you can restrict from filter permission option that we discussed earlier. Finally, if you want to stop the access temporarily, go back to the report window, select the report and click Deactivate. Now when customer clicks on the report, they will get an error message.